Okay. Okay, so here we are walking down the trail because Cora left me all alone and I'm down by Timbuktu singing Last Friday Night by Katy Perry because she's making a movie and I'm gonna make a movie because I'm alone and she's way up there. She's got no idea what's going on and there's all these pictures of me and she better not put this in the video because she's coming back! Focus! I was making my own documentary! I don't know how that turned out. I kind of want to see if I looked ugly or not.